Hello and welcome to this channel. I am delighted to be with you in the second video which follows on from the first on the 15 VS Code extensions. So today I'm going to share with you the remaining VS Code extension. So after Sonar Lint, we have Visual Studio Code Remote SSH. We click on extension. After Sonar Lint, we have Visual Studio Code Remote SSH. Perfect. So Remote SSH Visual Studio Code. This extension allows developer to use any remote PC with an SSH server as their IDE. Most importantly, it does not require the source code to be on your local machine. Instead, it directly executes command and other VS IDE extensions on the remote computer. And the remote SSH has more than 20 million downloads. So to install this extension, you have to click on install and you're waiting for the installation. The installation is done. Perfect. So as you can see, this extension is enabled globally. Perfect. And the next one is git links. Perfect. So git links is a fantastic open source extension for VS Code that allows developers to visualize code authorship instantly. You see, with git links, you can find out by whom, why, and when a change was made to a code line within seconds, and navigate among different versions of the code instantly. It has more than 50 million downloads on VS Code. It's very important. So I have it already in my computer. So if you don't have it, you just have to click to install button. And the next we have Coca. The next extension is Coca. Coca.js is another super useful VS Code extension for web developers to JavaScript and TypeScript prototyping. It immediately displays the result: inline console logs, expressions values, and error messages as you modify the code. Ultimately, it speeds up the process of learning, prototyping, and testing the code. The Coca.js extension has more than 3 million downloads. And for the last extension, you can install the live share. Perfect. The live share is a VS Code extension that provides in the moment developer collaboration. Users can share a session with another person, enabling them to collaborate on the server, debug sessions, and changing code. The live share extension has more than 16 million downloads. The next is Project Manager. The next extension is Project Manager. Manager. The Project Manager is a useful extension for project managers to use to oversee several DevOps projects on VS Code at once, regardless of where the projects are located. You can use the Project Manager extension to access them from a single computer. The Project Manager extension has more than 4 million downloads. So to install it, you have just to click on install and you have the extension in your computer. So the last extension is Polar Code. The Polar Code extension can be used to download code snippets as PNG and JPG images. These screenshots retain all the current VS Code styles and code fonts. Color Code has more than 1 million downloads on VS Code. So this is a very useful extension that you can install in your computer. So to install it, you have just to click on install and you have it in your computer. So this is so that's it. So if you like this tutorial, you know what left. Subscribe and take care of you, and let's see you in the next tutorial.